Morning, all of you. Okay, so last day we have seen the reading for understanding section, and today we are going to Navya, am I audible for you? Navya, क्या मेरी आवाज आ रही है आपको? Everyone can listen me? Okay, okay. So yesterday we have started reading for understanding, and the last passage which is mentioned in our half-yearly syllabus is that chameleon. So yesterday we discussed about chameleon. Chameleon के बारे में कल हम लोगों ने देखा that is a very much similar living creature with lizard, है ना? जो हमारे घर में आप लोग छिपकली या lizard देखते हो, ये उसी की फैमिली से बिलोंग करने वाला एक क्रिएचर है जिसकी कुछ खासियत है. And the qualities were that it can change its color. It can change its color according to its background. वो अपना कलर चेंज कर सकता है बैकग्राउंड के हिसाब से, और उसका जो लेंथ ऑफ टंग होता है, यानी जो जीभ की लंबाई होती है, वो लगभग उसके बॉडी के पैरेलल होता है. ठीक है. इसके अलावा आप जितना सोच, वो प्रिटेंड करता है ऐसा कि he is very lazy, he is very slow, but actually they are very fast and they can catch their prey within the 1/25th of the second. यानी जितने देर में आप अपनी आंखों की पलकें झपकते हो, उतने देर में वो अपने शिकार को निगल लेगा, है ना? So these are the certain features we read in the passage about chameleon. Now we are going to do the question answers related from that chapter. The first question is, what was the first one? Everyone, open page number. What is the page number? But the online students are disconnected, I think, that time. Let's see. It's page number 71. Page number 71. Not paragraph, it's not paragraph, it's page number 71. Nikalo sab log. Page number 71. Why does the chameleon, it's number A. Why does the chameleon move very slowly? Write down. Chameleon very slowly only before its prey. Before its prey. Before its prey. Before its prey. Quick lines that I have mentioned, इसको book में underline कर लो, and then mention. It can actually question number 2 का underline कर लीजिए book में ही, और उसको वहीं से लिख लीजिए. It can actually catch and swallow its prey in 1/25th of a second. यहाँ तक underline कर लीजिए, and you have to write the answer this in question number 2. इसी को आपको question number 2 में लिखना है. Now third one, why is it difficult to spot a chameleon? It is difficult to spot a chameleon. ये number 1 था, इनका number 1, 2 मैंने आपको book में underline करा दिया, number 3 यहाँ करो. Why is it difficult to spot a chameleon? It is difficult is difficult spot a chameleon because it can change. It can change its color. It can change its color according to the background. According to क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में वहां लाइन है है ना मोबाइल शेयर is not allowed to allow it. In fact, you have to have your own stuff. ऐसे नहीं होता है ना you're coming to school. Sure. Not again. Not to be a fool. It's okay now. 5. According to its background. According to its background. Next question. I told everyone you have to strictly maintain the discipline. What is special? What is special about the chameleon's eye? Chameleon's eye के बारे में क्या स्पेशल है? वो जैसे हम लोग अगर कोई चीज देखते हैं तो हमारी आंखें एक बार में एक ही तरफ देखती है ना? But chameleon can move. Chameleon can move their eyes independently in 2 different directions. मतलब उसकी एक आंख एक तरफ, दूसरी आंख दूसरी तरफ बहुत आसानी से देख सकती है. So this is the special thing about chameleon. So we'll write this. Number 4. Chameleon can move its 2 eyes independently in any direction. In any direction. Once again, who is there? Go back to the place. Go back there. Come on, go back there. Go back there and stand up there. Stand up there. And ask for the permission. You have to take permission. Okay, the last one. Now, number P, opposite of fast, slow. Opposite of fast, slow. Possible, impossible. Number 3, ordinary, special. Ordinary, मतलब common. Short, long. Short, long. See, I am only written the opposite word. I will send the board. Homeworks are already in the book. It is not the paragraph, it is the chapter or the passage chameleon. Reading for understanding पे पेज नंबर 71 है, उसको निकालो और वहां लिखो सारे. Page number 71. Possible, impossible. See, in number P, I have only written the opposite words. Only written the opposite word. The first word is fast and its opposite will be slow. Second word is possible, opposite will be impossible. Third word is ordinary and opposite will be special. The last word is short and opposite will be long. Last two words of section A. I think everyone has done this now. Finished? So you are going to take a whole period writing just 2 or 3 lines right now. Make yourself a little bit fast. Number second is यहाँ पे देखो second line है it can actually catch and swallow. मिल गया? वहां से लेके 25th of a second वहां तक अंडरलाइन कर लो और उसको लिख लो. नंबर 2 में उसी को लिखना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 जो उसका नहीं सानवी डोंट यू डेयर टू लीव योर प्लेस. Have you written? जल्दी लिखो बच्चों. We have to do the paragraph also. A visit. Ma'am will sign. Then who will write? And what will you write? Why will you not write? See only 1 minute. Otherwise you have to see your video. After 1 minute, I'm definitely going to rub it. Where I get the dust to? Where is the dust to? Dust to there is a lecture. Don't make announcements, regards. Don't make announcements. It's fine. If you have written, very good. Not written, so also good. मत लिखो. अच्छा, bus users बताओ. Who are the bus users? Okay. और कोई हो तो सर. जल्दी जल्दी वर्ड किससे बोल रही हूँ. फर्स्ट में स्लो, सेकंड इज इम्पॉसिबल. ठीक है. थर्ड है आपका स्पेशल, SPECIAL, स्पेशल. एंड फोर्थ है लॉन्ग. हो गया. अभी people can visit them. सेपरेट इंक्लोजर्स, केज जो होते हैं ना जगहों पे, बंद जगहों पे, दैट इज कॉल्ड इंक्लोजर. At zoo, animals habitats move. Very much similar, very similar. Similar with their natural habitats, मतलब home. Habitats, मतलब home. Their natural habitats. मतलब जानवरों का नेचुरल हैबिटेट क्या है? फॉरेस्ट है ना. Who is very much similar with the forest. is a wonderful place. Wonder, okay? Wonderful place. Is it? Zoo is a wonderful place. To visit. Holidays. Last week. Before last week, my parents took me to the zoo. Who is writing this out? से कौन लिख रहा है? Where? Took me to the zoo. Took me. The zoo. The experience and atmosphere. The experience and atmosphere was memorable. We have seen not many animals. And zoo was memorable. Memorable. We have seen many animals. मैं पढ़ दूंगी जो समझ में भी आ रहा कल लिखो फिर बोल दूंगी. We can took many photographs. Many photographs. Many photographs. RABLE, photographs. we have a great time. We had a great time at the zoo. At the zoo, and can't wait to visit, can't wait to visit it again. Can't wait to visit it again. Now write down, quietly sit down and write down. I'm reading it from the beginning. मैं पढ़ रही हूँ, सब लोग यहाँ सुनो, जिसका जहाँ जो छूटा हुआ है. See, zoo is a place where animals are kept in separate, separate, separate enclosures and taken care so that people can visit. People can visit people can visit them. People can visit them. At zoo, animals' habitats are similar with their natural habitats. Zoo is a wonderful place to visit during holiday. Last week, last week, my parents took me to the zoo. The experience and atmosphere, ATMOSPHERE, atmosphere of zoo was memorable. Was memorable. Please sit down, everyone. Sit down. Memorable. We have seen many animals and took many photographs. PHOT GRAPHS. Graph. We have a great time at the zoo and cannot wait to visit it again. And cannot wait to visit it again. Swallow, मतलब निकलना. It's called swallow. एक होता है chew करना ना, चबाना, और दूसरा होता है निकल जाना. That is called swallow. Finish? Yes, ma'am. revise and learn. राजा क्लास के बाहर कर दूंगी, मास्क डाल दो. आगे बेटा, क्या हो तुम? आज करेंगे होमवर्क को इंग्लिश का रिवाइज एंड लर्न. Revise and learn question answers of dolphin. बच्चे को जिनको डायरी नहीं मिला है, मैम मैं सीरीज दिखा देता हूँ आपको. I think everyone has written their homework now. So now your portion of half yearly exam in English is completely done. Nothing is left. You want to write? नहीं, सिलेबस में नहीं है इसका. रुक जा बेटा. Now write the homework. Some of the students were asking about the homework. So your homework for the next class will be revise and learn all the question answers of dolphins. See, सिर्फ question answers नहीं होंगे उसमें, सब कुछ होंगे, है ना? Life skill, value based, everything. We'll revise it on tomorrow. We'll revise on tomorrow all the question answers related with that particular chapter, that is dolphin. Written in the diary? Yes. जिनके पास डायरी है वो डायरी में लिखो, जिनको नहीं मिला डायरी वो मिलेगा लंच आवर में आके दे जाऊंगी, है ना? ये सबका हो गया? Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. चित्रज्ञ जल्दी करो. Okay, so we'll meet on tomorrow. कल फिर हम लोग यहीं मिलेंगे.